Hey guys, here's a quick update. This is a project I've been working on, which is currently on Indiegogo, soon to be on Kickstarter. It's water cooling block for an E3D style printhead. To make this into a complete unit, you can simply use the heat break, which is an M7 thread, and your existing heat block. It's available in Bowden or standard direct print. 16mm. The water couplings are 3mm. This is only the prototype, which is 19mm diameter. The final version is going to be 21mm. To countersink these in ever so slightly onto a flat surface to allow the use of sealing rings. That's basically just about it. Been simulated in Fluid Dynamics. So if you're interested, either visit me on Indiegogo, I'll post the link below, or hit me up on here. So yeah.